Okay, welcome back. So now we're going to we're going to create a spawn area first for where we're going to click on. So let me load this asset in that I created. All that really is a rectangle. It's a spawn area. Drag it into graphics here. So we're going to drag this in and make it bigger here. So basically, this area is where the whenever the mouse clicks in this area, that's where the ball will be spawned, basically. And you'll see that. I'm just going to add a box collider. You need a collider with so you know the mouse hit point, basically. And you'll see this. And I'm actually going to change this name to ball start area instead of spawn area, because I don't want to get it confused with that. So since we changed this name, we have to change this part right here, since we changed the name. Okay. So let's see. So let's see if that affected anything. Alright, so let's go over to the scene. Okay. See, so your ball is still spawning, so that's good. So now let's do the code where the balls will be spawned here instead of, well, it'll still be spawned here, but it's just whenever you click, the balls will move from here to there. So let's go back to the game here. Let's go back to game. And this is going to be done in the update code because it's going to constantly read the mouse input. Okay. So let's see here. Right. So we need to put a counter up here for the balls. This is just to keep up with the array. So we don't go over the amount of balls. Alright, so we're going to say if input dot get mouse button down. That's what you want, get mouse button down, not get mouse button. And I'll show you the difference in that too, actually. Alright, so if the mouse button is down, we're going to do this. So we're going to do raycast hit 2D because it's 2D stuff. We're not doing any 3D stuff. Alright, so physics 2D dot raycast camera dot main dot screen to world point. Okay. Okay, so we do input dot mouse position vector 2 dot 0. So I'm going to say if hit collider name equals spawn area So basically when the mouse hits this name, this collider called spawn area, which which is this right here, spawn area. So it looks at this. The reason why we didn't have to do GameObject.find and stuff like that, because that's what this collider's name is. So that's what it looks for. So we go CNT++, and all that is an incrementer. It increments in the CNT. So if CNT is greater than or equal to max balls, or max ball, sorry. We're going to do CNT 0. So it won't ever go over the max ball. It resets it to 0. Alright, now we go balls, CNT, CNT dot position equals hit dot position, or dot point. So all that does is whenever you click on it, it will, whatever number this is what index this will be, and it will put the ball at the hit location of wherever your mouse was clicked. Okay. So now we actually have to move the ball. Move the ball, the actual object, to that location. All the first thing does is just populate this variable position. That's all it is. So you can use it, if you wanted to. You could easily write this inside here, but I like to have it inside of a variable so I could test other things. Alright, dot transform, dot position equals the balls, CNT, dot position. Okay, so basically it's going to take this object right here at this number right here, element in the array, and it's going to put it at this position, which is this right here. Alrighty, so let's see. I guess let's see what it does. Let's see if it works. Okay, there was no errors, which is good. Let's make sure our balls spawn. Okay, our balls did spawn. So let's see. Alrighty. Nothing. First. Okay, I think I do know why. Let me see. Let me select this, put this on a trigger instead, because we're not really using it to collide with anything in our scene. So we use trigger. Let's see. Let's see. So that's still there. Alright, well, let's go back here. See what's up. Okay, it may be because I don't have the right name. Or did I add a collider to this? Yeah, added a collider, box 2D. Okay, and the name is spawn area. Let's see, get this name here. Okay, see, the name is wrong. It's case sensitive. So see, now we had to change the name to that. So let's see if it works now. Let's see. Okay, so right, so the ball spawn. So what we can do with this though, so we don't have this, we can just do sprite render and it becomes not visible. Alright, so see, so ball's still spawning. Now what will happen is it'll cycle back to 0 and see how the balls kind of disappear from the bottom, and so you're just reusing the balls basically. That's how you save memory, because you don't want to initiate or instantiate game objects and destroy them while the game is running, because it's too much garbage. So if you can create them first in the memory and then just reuse them, basically, it makes the game perform a lot better. And you see the null reference here. That's because we're clicking off of the spawn area, and so when it runs this code, the hit area becomes basically null. So you could basically do this. You could put a try in there, and then it won't do that exception error. So that's just like a safety thing or whatever. Let's see, watch. Alright, so see, if you click off of it, nothing down here. So that's how you do that. That's how you spawn, which is kind of cool. Pretty cool. Alright, so next what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a canvas, and we're going to play with canvas, and we're going to switch it to an Android. We're going to switch to an Android in the build settings in the next video. And I'm going to show you how to do the canvas and situate UI elements within a canvas, and control UI elements.